I removed my lawn and here's the update. I added these stepping stones and look at the plants that grew naturally. I got some purslane. This is a stone crop from a friend. I'm not sure what grew here, but it kind of looks like a succulent. I do love the purslane because you can eat these. Some oxalis grew naturally. I'm kind of letting Mother Nature do its thing. I can't wait to see how it fills out. About a month ago, I removed my lawn and wanted to place something more eco-friendly. So I planted some creeping thyme and white clovers. Here's the update. Creeping thyme didn't really grow. Instead, a lot of purslane grew naturally. I don't really mind because I actually eat it. This kind of succulent looking thing grew also. Here is a stone crop from a friend and some clovers. Natural lawns are great because they improve soil composition and they provide a natural shelter for insects. Last summer, I removed my lawn to reduce water consumption. Instead, I decided to plant some white clovers and letting native plants grow. After a long and cold winter, here is the update. It seems like the plants have only grown on the right side of my house. I have no idea what this is, but it grew naturally. Here are the white clovers that I planted, a nice fluff of them. And I have a few stone crops. I really like them. I'm hoping the plants will grow in more and spread for this season. Because I don't have a lawn, I have so many flowers and so many bee friends. Last summer, I removed my lawn and just let native plants grow. My ground covers are starting to flower and attracting so many beneficial insects. Lawn consumes so much water, 125 gallons per 1,000 square feet. These are drought tolerant and I hardly ever water this. I know this is not conventional, but it aligns with my values and my love for the planet. Last summer, I removed my front lawn, and this is the reason why. Lawn consumes nearly half a gallon of water per square feet and a lot of gas and noise to mow it. I planted some white clovers and low-crawling native plants. Clover is a nitrogen-fixing plant that creates its own fertilizer and fertilizes nearby plants. That's why when grass is intermixed with clover, it is greener and healthier. This native lawn requires little to no maintenance, and I don't even mow it. It is also drought-tolerant and stays green all summer. They have beautiful flowers which are beneficial for bees, insects, and humans. Visit nature.org/naturelab to learn more about the benefits of pollinator gardens and access classroom resources for educators.